My name is Fikri Nurfadilah. I'm from Masum University. I'm majoring in accounting computerisasi. I will explain about basic website. Next, website history. The original go-to binary to create a website was to make it easier for register a work and extension or make change to information. The website began to be used free of charge by the public just announced by Kern on April 1993 to be phrased. And next, definition of the website. A website is a collection of facts on the domain on the internet that are created for a specific purpose and are interconnected and can be widely accessed through the home page using a browser using the website URL. And next, website tip. Number 1, personal website. Number 2, online shop website. Number 3, and blog. Next, website elements. Number 1, domain. If the website I like a product, then the domain is a brand. The use of a attractive domain will attract people to enter a website. Choosing a unique domain name also makes it easy for people to remember it for future visit. And number 2, hosting. Has the rule of storing all the database, script, image, video, text, and so on. Needed to from a website. There are so many hosting service providers in Indonesia. One of which is Niaga Hoster, and which provider the best hosting for your website access feed. And number 3, content. Without content on the website can be said to have no clear purpose. The content of the website can be in the form of text, images, or videos. When viewed from the content server, there are several kinds of websites. From example, social media website, buying and selling website, or website that content based on talent and hobbies. And next, website benefit. Build personal branding. Personal branding can share your work and portfolio on the website. Whether it writing, photos, painting, drawing, graphic design, to music, you can build personal branding. Use a website. Number 2, sharing stories and information. By creating a blog, you can share on story or information for traveling, offering technology, finance to culinary. And 3, make money. You can become a blogger and influencer and get money endorsement of after of conversation. In addition, you can also register your website with Google AdSense to get money from Google Advertising. And next, advance and condition of the website. Number 1, website application anywhere at any time without having to install. Regarding licensing issue copyright, we do not need a license when using a website application because the licensing has become the responsible of the web application provider. Can be run on any operating system. It does matter whether we use Linux, Windows. Web-based application can be run as long as we have a browser. Can be accept money media as computer headset and completed comparison with WARP standard. There is no need for high computer inspection to use this website application because in some cases most of the process in calling out the web server provider list website application. And next, the definition and good security system is needed because the application is run central, so that is the control server is down, the application system cannot run. Next, simple website using HTML and description. HTML standard from hypertext markup language with is standard programming language used to create a web page which can be accessed to display with information in the internet page. Browsing HTML can also be used as a link between files on a site or on a computer using localhost, or a link that connects between sites on the internet. And next, HTML function. HTML atau hypertext language is a language that use constraints to replace the code that must interpret by the browsing so that the file can be displayed correctly. The more specific HTML functions are: number 1, create web pages; number 2, display various information in an internet browser; number 3, creating link to other web pages with specific code. And next, how to run it. All website will must use HTML, or for example my web.html is so the right click of open as click browser or Chrome. Then we wait until the website that we make efforts we offer. And next, simple website using PHP. Understanding PHP. PHP is a server-side scripting language and programming language. used to develop static website or dynamic website or website application. PHP standard for hypertext professor preview personal home page. The script is a set programming instruction that are interpreted or runtime. Meanwhile, a scripting language is a language that interprets script at runtime and usually embedded into other software environment. Because PHP is server-side scripting, this type of programming language will be executed professed by the server, unlike the client-side JavaScript. PHP is growing programming language with mean PHP can be expanded into HTML code, or it can be used in comparison with various web template system, web content manager system, and web framework. And next, difference between programming language and scripting language. Number 1, programming language. Number 2, programming language has all the features needed to build and develop complete application. Number 3, code must be completed before it can be executed. Number 4, no need to find in other language. Number 9, scripting language and most widely used scripting language for round 9 text. Most of this code is usually run without compilation and usually embedded into other software environment. And next, PHP function. PHP function is to create or develop static website or dynamic website or web application. In fact, PHP is not the only programming language that can be used to load website. PHP is used because to create a dynamic website, it can be used to store data in database, create pages that change according to user input, process from etc. And in creating PHP files can be made use HTML tag, and when without using any HTML tag is called for PHP files. The server enters the PHP code and output the result as HTML code to the web browser in order from the server to interpret. The PHP code from the HTML code, we must always include the PHP code in the PHP text. And next, running PHP. In order to access PHP files from a web browser, we must place the files in special folder within the home folder of the web server. In exam application, the folder the htdoc folder, which is located at C, exam, and htdoc. To run it, you must use a web browser, and please run exam files. The open a browser and type browser following address localhost clear try.php in the address bar and press enter. And next, conclusion. A website is a version of fact that are used to display text, information, of motion, image, animation, sound, and or a combination of the both static and dynamic bits from a series of interconnected buildings where each one is connected to a network. Facts hyperlinks.